Evening to everyone present here. Before I dive deep into my speech, I want to request you all to close your eyes for 15 seconds and imagine a country, Nepal, where every child is regardless of their caste, gender, ethnicity or economic background. Everyone has equal and same opportunity to dream and succeed. A society where people are valued for their potential and character, not just by their family, name or social identity. How good it feels to imagine this. But now, let us come to reality. Sadly, we are still far from this vision. Discrimination in various forms remains deeply ingrained in our society. Today I, Siddhi Thakur, a grade 6 student from Gyanma International School, wants to discuss that why a society without discrimination is essential for Nepal's progress and how we together can achieve it. Discrimination in Nepal takes various forms: caste-based, gender-based, ethnicity and even regional. For centuries, the caste system has created divisions with the people of Dalit community facing untouchability and being denied for their basic rights. Women and girls, specifically in rural areas, continue to suffer to child marriage, chhaupadi practice and even domestic violence. Similarly, indigenous communities and Madhesis often face systemic exclusion, limiting their representation and access to opportunities. The consequences of such discrimination are devastating. It perpetuates poverty, deprives individuals of dignity, and hinders national development. How can we grow as a nation when large segment of our population are left behind? When discrimination prevails, our society remains fractured and we all suffer the consequences. Why a society without discrimination matters? Nepal is a land of diversity with over 120 ethnic groups and 123 languages. Our strength lies in this rich cultural fabric. But to harness this diversity, we must foster equality and inclusion. Without discrimination, everyone could be valued for their unique qualities. A society without discrimination would unite us as a nation, enabling everyone to contribute their talents and skills. Drive economic growth by empowering marginalized communities through access to education, employment and entrepreneurship. Similarly, ensure social harmony by replacing prejudice with mutual respect and understanding. Imagine how much stronger our Nepal could be if every child, whether from the hills, the Tarais or the mountains, had the same opportunity to succeed. To conclude, I want to remind you all that building a nation without discrimination is not just a dream or a favor, it's our shared responsibility. Nepal's history is filled with a story of resilience and unity. With the People's Movement in 1990 to the earthquake recovery in 2015, we have proven time and again that we are stronger together. Let us create a Nepal where no one is judged on the basis of their caste, gender, ethnicity, but by their character, potential and their heart. A society where everyone can achieve, dream and thrive. Last but not the least, I would like to request our jury members to judge without discrimination. Thank you and have a wonderful day.